Please click subscribe below this video. Graph the exponential function y equals 3 times 2 to the power of x. First, we're going to make a table of values where the first column is x and the last column is y. So that's where the input goes. This is where the output goes. And the equation is in the middle, or the expression 3 times 2 to the x will be solved here. So let's use -2 for x. So we say 3 times 2 to the -2. That is 3/4 or 0.75. So the y value is 0.75. So if the input is -2, the output is 0.75. Now, for an input of -1, we plug that in here. The expression 3 times 2 to the x. So we say 3 times 2 to the power of -1. That is 3/2. So which is 1.5. So when the input's -1, the output is 1.5. Now 0. 0 would be 3 times 2 to the 0. 2 to the 0 is 1 times 3 is 3. And when the input is 1, we plug that into the expression 3 times 2 to the x. So that is 3 times 2 to the first power. And 2 to the first is 2 times 3 is 6. And if the input is 2, so the expression 3 times 2 to the x would become 3 times 2 to the second, and that simplifies to 12. So if the input is 2, the output is 12. So after we find our values, we're going to be plotting them. So let's start with the first ordered pair, -2.75. So -2.75, that would be around here. And by the way, this is going to be 2. That's going to be 12. Okay, the next ordered pair is -1, 1.5. -1, 1.5 is somewhere here. Next ordered pair is 0, 3. This is our y-intercept, 0, 3. Next ordered pair is 1, 6, 1, 6. And the last ordered pair we have is 2, 12, so 2, 12. And we connect the points with a smooth curve. So we don't use a straight edge for or in graphing an exponential function. So that continues on. So we'll just put an arrow. Over here, it's gonna somewhat flatten here, approaching 0. Okay, so there it is. The graph of y equals 3 times 2 to the x.